Well, we're here at the I-95 Landfill Complex on the closed portion of the landfill for the groundbreaking of the installation of a 5-megawatt solar project.
Some of you have been to many of our other solar installations, and I'm really proud in this county that we've done so many others across the county, but this is by far and away the largest, and at being the largest, will save the county tremendous amounts of money in the future.
Once this system is built, it will produce about 10 million kilowatt hours of electricity. That's enough power to serve about 1,000 homes over the course of a year. The county will credit the 10 million kilowatt hours of electricity to about 20 different county buildings, reducing their energy costs.
Completion of construction slated for spring of 2026, and the project will actually last for 30 years through our power purchase agreement, and we're projecting over $12 million of savings or cost avoidance with renewable energy from this project.
It's about making investments, people investments, site investments. It's truly making a difference for not only today, but also our future.
This project has been the culmination of a very tenacious effort by a variety of county agencies all working together. The Attorney's Office, the Department of Management and Budget, Public Works, our office, we're all working together. It's a very complicated transaction, so we've got it down so that now it's going to be ready to go.